It is shocking that they detained both parents, knowing that there was two small children in school who would have no one to pick them up.
The parents of two young boys detained by ICE last week in Chula Vista now have legal representation. It's a story ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo has been following from the beginning. Today, she follows through with the family attorney about how she plans to fight this case.
The attorney now representing the parents detained by ICE in Chula Vista reached out to me after seeing my original story last Friday. She's now fighting to get both parents out of ICE custody while she fights their case.
I was able to go and visit them just this week on Tuesday.
Nerea Woods is an immigration attorney now representing this couple, Reynaldo Chirino and Chris Estefani, detained over a week ago in Chula Vista after dropping their two kids off at school. The boys now in the care of a family friend.
I think like most people, I saw, your story on the case and immediately wanted to help.
Woods is a senior attorney for the law office of Andrew Neader, who is a provider for the county's Immigrant Legal Defense Program, a free service for detained immigrants, similar to a public defender.
First and foremost, these are not criminals. There is no criminal record here.
Woods argues these parents now at the Otay Mesa Detention Center should have never been detained, citing ICE's own directive from last July about detention and removal of parents with minor children. Their boys are 4 and 12 years old.
It is shocking that they detained both parents, knowing that there was two small children in school who would have no one to pick them up.
She says there are alternatives to detention for people in removal proceedings, like ankle monitors, ICE check-ins, or other ways of monitoring a person. As Woods plans to fight their case in immigration court, Congressman Juan Vargas is also getting involved. In a phone call yesterday, he told me that after seeing our story, his office sent ICE an inquiry about the parents' case.
I'm very hopeful that with his help, we can put a little bit more pressure on ICE to simply just do the right thing, follow their own policy.
For days now, I've been asking ICE for information about this case, and they still haven't responded with any details.
ICE can still make this right in this situation, and that's what we're asking for.
Both parents have a hearing in their case on Monday, which also happens to be the day of their youngest child's birthday. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.
Laura covers the border, immigration, the South Bay, and Latino communities. Send her your story ideas by scanning the QR code on your screen or emailing her at laura.acevedo@10news.com.